I'm Clint Smith. I'm an attorney who's offered peace of mind to my clients since 1985. I'm often asked, do I need a revocable living trust? Well, maybe. Here's the thing. It doesn't cost you anything to find out. I will meet with you virtually or in person, and we can talk about whether you need that or not. It usually boils down to two things. What is the asset base? Do you have a fair amount of assets? And are there a fair number of beneficiaries, and anything special you want to do with them? Like they don't get it till a certain age, or there's a bunch of them and there's going to be a couple that receive, more than others and others that receive it later, things like that, which you can all build into a trust that's confidential. I really love living trusts, by the way, but not everybody needs one. That is a fact. Not everyone needs a living trust. So what we do is decide if you can do what you want to do, that is avoid probate without having to have a trust. And I do look at that first. I've talked it elsewhere about transfer on death assets and payable on death accounts. You do need to have a will generally to even accomplish that, but you don't want to have it trigger a probate, and that has certain levels of real estate at a certain level and personal property in a certain level. In Arizona, it's two different numbers, and it's in addition to each other. But other states have different thresholds, and we can look all that up. But that's the important thing to know, is that this estate that you can set up, this trust that you can set up in Arizona, is also good nationwide. So you can own property in various states, and that's one benefit of having a trust, and also another factor to consider on whether you should have one. But it doesn't cost anything to find out, and we can help you determine what it will take to achieve peace of mind. So let's talk.